Have you ever seen a man completely lose his composure because of something a woman did? Maybe it was the way she smiled, the way she looked at him, or something she said that made him weak in the knees. Men may act tough, but trust me, they're not as hard to break as they seem. There are certain things women do, whether intentional or not, that completely meld a man's heart. So today, we're diving deep into 10 powerful things women do that make men go crazy. And let me tell you, number 1 is the ultimate weakness every man has, but most women don't even realize it. 10. The way she looks at him, the I see only you gaze. Let's start with something simple but extremely powerful: eye contact. When a woman locks eyes with a man, holds his gaze just a little longer, and then smiles, it's over for him. He's done. Why? Because it makes him feel noticed, wanted, and special. It's like she's saying, in this moment, you're the only one I see. Light bulb why it works. Eye contact creates an intense emotional connection between two people. It triggers oxytocin, the bonding hormone, making a man feel attached. It's a silent but powerful form of flirting. YW Checkmark Pro Tip: the next time you're talking to a guy you like, hold eye contact for just 1 extra second before looking away. He won't forget it. 9. The playful touch. Accidental, but intentional. Touch is one of the most underrated ways to make a man weak. A simple, light touch on his arm, shoulder, or hand, especially when you're laughing, triggers an instant reaction in his brain. Light bulb why it works. It breaks the friend zone barrier and signals physical attraction. Even the smallest touch can raise his heartbeat without him realizing it. It creates a feeling of intimacy and closeness. Wide heavy checkmark pro tip: next time you're with a guy, try a soft touch on his forearm while you're talking. It's subtle, but it works like magic. 8. When she bites her lip, the ultimate feminine gesture. This one is straight up dangerous, and every man knows it. When a woman bites her lip while talking, laughing, or even just thinking, it instantly catches a man's attention. Light bulb why it works. It's an instinctive, subconscious signal of attraction. It makes men think of intimacy and closeness. It's a tease, a perfect blend of innocence and seduction. YW Checkmark Pro Tip: use this sparingly and only when you want to make an impression. It's too powerful to waste. 7. The way she smells, the scent that stays. You know what's crazy? A man can forget what you said, but he'll never forget how you smelled. A woman's natural scent, or even better, the perfume she wears, can leave a lasting impression on a man. Light bulb why it works. The sense of smell is deeply linked to memory and emotions. A unique fragrance can remind a man of you, even when you're not around. Certain scents, like vanilla, jasmine, and lavender, have been proven to trigger attraction. Wide heavy checkmark pro tip: find a signature scent that suits your personality and wear it often. It'll make you unforgettable. 6. When she laughs at his jokes, even the bad ones. This might sound simple, but a woman's laughter is one of the biggest turn-ons for men. Why? Because when she laughs at his jokes, it makes him feel funny, confident, and valued. Light bulb why it works. Laughter triggers positive emotions and deeper bonding. It reassures a man that he's making you happy. It boosts his ego, and let's be honest, men love that. YW Checkmark Pro Tip: even if his joke is terrible, a small chuckle will make him feel special. 5. The unexpected compliment. Words that melt him. Men don't get compliments as often as women do. So when a woman gives a genuine, unexpected compliment, it hits differently. Light bulb why it works. It makes him feel seen and appreciated. It gives him a confidence boost that sticks with him. It makes you stand out, because most women don't do this. Wide heavy checkmark pro tip: instead of the usual, "You're handsome," try complimenting something unique about him. His passion, his energy, or the way he treats people. 4. The way she plays with her hair, subconscious attraction. Playing with hair is one of those instinctive, subconscious moves women do when they're interested in someone. And trust me, men notice. Light bulb white works. It's a classic sign of attraction. It draws attention to your neck and face, which men find irresistible. It gives off a soft, feminine energy that melts men's hearts. YW checkmark pro tip. The next time you're talking to a guy, try casually tucking your hair behind your ear while maintaining eye contact. It's a subtle power move. 3. The soft thank you. Gratitude is beautiful. Gratitude is one of the most attractive traits a woman can have. When a woman genuinely appreciates a man's effort, whether it's opening a door or just being there for her, it makes him feel important. Light bulb why it works. It makes a man feel needed and valued. It triggers his instinct to do even more for you. It separates you from others, because a grateful woman is rare. YW checkmark pro tip. Say thank you with a warm smile and eye contact. It'll leave a lasting impression. 2. The feminine energy, soft, yet confident. There's something irresistible about a woman who embraces her femininity, not just in how she looks, but how she moves and speaks. Light bulb white works. Feminine energy balances masculine energy, creating attraction. It gives off a soft, inviting presence that men crave. It makes interactions more magnetic and emotionally deep. YW checkmark pro tip. Confidence mixed with softness is the ultimate combo. Embrace it. 1. The I believe in you statement. Encouragement that sticks. If there's one thing that melts a man's heart instantly, it's a woman who truly believes in him. When a woman supports a man's dreams, encourages him when he's doubting himself, and tells him, I believe in you, it's game over. This isn't about flattery. It's about genuine encouragement. When a man sees that a woman truly respects his ambition and sees potential in him, he'll feel a deep emotional connection to her. Light bulb white works. It fuels his motivation and makes him want to be a better man. It makes him feel safe and emotionally connected. A woman who supports his goals becomes irreplaceable. YW checkmark pro tip. The next time he shares a goal or dream with you, say something like, I love how passionate you are about that. I know you're going to succeed. Trust me, he'll never forget it. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more psychology and relationship insights. See you in the next video.